This is an illegal coup d'etat na may kasamang pagbabasura ng ating konstitusyon. I warned everyone about this from day one. We warned everyone yesterday when we explained the use of the parliamentary tool of not having a quorum. But tomorrow, tuloy ang hearing ng Blue Ribbon Committee. I am still the legitimate, legal, moral Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. There is still functioning committees. We have to hear the testimonies. Invited po, pati po yung mga gumawa ng illegal ngayon. You can try to stop us, but you will be stopping the Filipino people. So sa ating mga kababayan who wants to pray or have a prayer vigil sa Senado bukas, pumunta po kayo. Pag hindi po kami pinapasok, de sama-sama na po tayo outside the Kulambo. Ang problema po, pag in-outside nyo the Kulambo, ang mga legitimate leaders ng Senado, para nyo na pong sinabing sinunog nyo po ang Philippine Constitution.